ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 11 of Narayanyam, Prelude to the First Incarnation. Kramena sarge parivardhamane kadapi divyaha sanakadayaste bhavadvilokaya vaikuntalokam prapedire maruda mandiresha. O Lord of Guruvayur, as creation progressed and the creatures multiplied, the group of 4 divine sages consisting of Sanaka and the rest went one day to the sphere of Vaikuntha in order to pay their respects to thee. मनोज्ञनैः श्रेयसकाननाद्वैरनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरेश्वर अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः. Crossing several enclosures, the sages entered thy abode, unmatched by any other sphere, because of its entrancing garden of spiritual freedom, that is Naishreyasa Kananam, and its numerous lakes and glittering mansions. Bhavadidrikshun bhavanam vivikshun dvasau jayasthana vijayopyarundham तेषां च चित्ते पद्मापकोपः सर्वं भ्रवत्प्रेरणैव धूमन्. But 2 gatekeepers by name Jaya and Vijaya intercepted these sages who were entering thy abode to see thee. Thereupon anger flashed in the minds of the sages. O Lord, everything takes place as thou willest. वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित्तप्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम् इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रयौ तौ हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्तिवति न्ययमस्तुस्तान्. You cruel ones, whose conduct is unbecoming of the denizens of Vaikuntha, may you both be embodied as asuras, demonic beings. Cursed thus by the great sages, these servants of thine prostrated themselves before them, praying that they might not lose their devotion to the Lord, even in their asura bodies. तदेताज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहू रानन्दयंस्तानभिराममूर्त्या. Knowing what had happened, thou, O Lord, did come to the entrance of thy abode, accompanied by Lakshmi and thy attendant Garuda, thy hand resting on his shoulders. The sages were delighted by thy most attractive form. Prasadyagirbihi stuvato munindra nananyana tavata parshadau tau samramya yogena bhavaistrivirma upetamityata kripam nyagadihi. Pacifying the sages who began singing thy praise, thou didst tell thy 2 attendants under curse, who had no protector other than thyself, to come back to thee again after having spent 3 births as asuras, communing with thee through confrontation. त्वदीयभृत्यावत कश्यपातत्तौ सुरारिवीरा उदितौ द्वौ सन्ध्यासमुत्पादनकष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. Thereafter thy attendants took birth as great asuras through Diti and her husband Kashyapa. Since the act of procreation took place at the prohibited hour of evening, Sandhya, sunset hour, the twins became cruel destroyers of the worlds as if they were 2 new Yamas, gods of death. हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः परो हिरण्याक्षैति प्रतीतः उभौ भवन्नाथमप्येषलोकम् रुषान्युरुन्धां निजवासनान्द्यौ. They became notorious as Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyayaksha. Obsessed by their inherent tendencies, they engaged themselves in cruel oppression of the worlds that have thee as their master. तयो हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रो रणाय धावन्ननवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्जय चचार गर्वादविनन्दनगदावान्. Of these 2, the great Asura Hiranyaksha reigned the worlds thirsting for battle. Not finding anywhere an enemy worthy of his steel, he submerged thy dear earth in cosmic waters and strutted about mace in hand, roaring in overweening pride. ततो दलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेषयं स्वां भक्तैकदृश्यं सकृपानिधे त्वं निरुन्दिरोगानमरुदालयेश. On learning from God Varuna that thou were a match for him, he roamed in search of thee. O Lord of Guruvayur, O thou ocean of mercy, whom bhakti, that is devotion, alone can reveal, may thou be pleased to ameliorate my ailments. So the Canto 11 is completed. I will be back with the Canto 12 the coming week. Namaskaram. Hari Om Tat Sat.